Oh my god, it's perfect, bro. We just hit our 300 mark. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna remove liquidity. What you want to do is go back to the website, click on the minus button, remove liquidity 100%. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, come on, it's loading. Come on. And then boom, we just made. Just look at my insane phantom wallet. It's unreal. I've made well over $526,000 in the past month launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step. Bro, are you guys tired of losing all of your money trading these stupid meme coins on these stupid websites? Bro, let me tell you right now, I used to be like you guys. I used to trade these meme coins every single day after I got off work. I blew all of my money into these meme coins, got rugged, and kept going, even though I knew that it would never happen. I was just trying to get that little 10x. But the thing that I failed to realize is that the ones that were truly making the money, the big money, were the creators of these coins. They would create the coin here, wait for buyers, and then just sell everything, remove all the liquidity, and walk away with potentially thousands. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is to help you guys out, because I really felt the struggle when I was trading these meme coins, but it all turned around once I started creating them. Now I'm gonna show you guys the website where I created all of these meme coins, and sadly, maybe one of these coins you might have bought into it. Who knows, bro? Who knows? And that's my fault, bro. But y'all really gotta start making these coins, because this is one of the only strategies that truly works in 2025. You just gotta have a little dedication. And so if we go over to the website coinlabs.fun, this is where you guys will start creating these meme coins and making hella money. And the best thing that with this strategy is that it's fully repeatable. You can create coins every single day, every single minute if you please. That's how you're gonna do it. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. So the reason why you guys are gonna create your coins on coinlabs.fun is for a couple of reasons. First, it's the best website, as I've said before, on YouTube. Secondly, it requires no coding, so you don't have to know anything about coding. Now, the third thing, which is probably the most important, is that when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, is put straight to the graduated category, so on the Radium Dex. Now, what this means for you, you'll be getting way more buys, way more attention, way more eyeballs, and all that because your coin is here. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is because these coins, first of all, your coin gets dumped into an ocean of other bullshit ass coins that don't even get to see the light of day. Second, your coin needs to hit $90,000 in market cap to complete the bonding curve. And what the bonding curve is basically when the liquidity pool switches from Pump.Fun to Radium. Now, we don't have time for that. We want fast coins that will pick up traction in seconds. This is why Coinlabs is the best. My favorite way to make thousands of dollars fucking instantly is by going on the copy trending tokens tab. Now, what this tab is basically the website going through thousands of meme coins, trying to find the ones that are proven to making you a ton of money. I'm telling you guys, all of these are proven. So if, for example, if you go on this one, the market cap is 40,000. We try to find a market cap with $30,000 and try to find a coin that has a last bought under 15 seconds ago. That is my golden strategy, the golden rule to making money. Now, all of this thing does, when you click create your coin, it steals the narrative, it steals everything about the coin, makes it for yourself, and people are bound to buy it. As simple as that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only two. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last two recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us. I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.